talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. So then you come here to activate SMS auto scan, clicking this sign. So when you just click on it here, you just reach to open video here, and here before that you have to get premium here. So then it's going to enable video here, activate SMS real auto scan on your Whoscall app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.